Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our next chapter. Chapter number 2. So many kinds of animal. Here you can see picture is given. Let's see the picture. Which animal shown in this picture? Here elephant, snake, parrot, deer and sparrow. You will easily recognize the animal in the picture. Now name us. Animal that fly in the sky is eagle. Animal that live in water is fish. Animal that are black, that is elephant. Animal that have many colors, that is peacock. And very large animal, you can see here elephant is very large animal. And very teeny animal is ant. Now where will you find us? In this picture you can see eagle is fly high in the sky. Cow walk on the ground and fish swim in water. Now we are of different color. Here you can see egret, it is white in color. You can see the buffalo, it is black. The crow is also black. But the peacock has many different color. You can see in this picture the peacock has many different colors. We may be big, we may be small. The horse and the bullock are large in size. The goat and dog are of medium size. The mouse and the squirrel are small. The earthworm and the cockroaches are smaller. Gnat and ants are very teeny. Here in this picture you can see the horse is large in size, goat is medium size, squirrel in small size and the ant cockroaches are smaller in size. Can you tell me, student, which animal run very fast? The animal run very fast is deer, lion and tiger. They run very fast. Which animal move very slowly? That is snail. Now we move in different way. A squirrel is small animal. It is nimble. It climb up a tree quickly and swiftly run along its branch. In this picture you can see squirrel. She is small in size and it quickly climb on tree and run swiftly along its branches. Now elephant. In this picture you can see elephant. Elephant body is bulky. Its legs are heavy. The elephant cannot run at any great speed. Why? Because of its bulky body and heavy legs. Now the deer has thin legs. It runs very fast. In this picture you can see the deer. Now here you can see frog. A frog hind legs are long, so it can easily hop, jump. Can you tell me why do we keep cows? Because cow give us milk. They are useful for us. Name some other animal that are useful to us. That is dog, cat, sheep, goat. These all domestic animals are useful for us. Why do we not like it if there are mice or bedbug in our house? Mice means plural form of mouse and bedbug suck our blood, so they both are harmful for us. That's why we don't like this. You find us useful. People love to keep animal. The dog guard our house. People like to keep cat. Cow, buffaloes and goat give us milk. In this picture you can see the cow give us milk. Some people keep hen. Hen give us eggs. We get meat, milk and egg from animal. Bullock help with farm work. In this picture you can see the bullocks how to help farmer in the farm work. Horse and donkey are used to carry burden. In this picture you can see how donkey is useful for us. We look after the animal we keep, we feed them, we take care of them when they are ill. The animal we keep becomes very dear to us. Now we the gate crashers. Gate crasher means what? Troublesome. Some animal enter our house even though we don't want them. Mice and rat destroy stored grain. Beside gnawing other things in the house, sometimes we find bedbugs in our house. They suck our blood. Spider make cobweb in the house. Mosquito, flies, gnats and cockroaches are a nuisance. These troublesome animals have an important place in nature. Now, who make cobweb in house? That is spider. Who suck our blood? That is bedbug. And mosquitoes. Here you can see mosquito. And who destroy our grains? That is mice or rat. Now, which animal we find troublesome? It is mosquitoes, flies, cockroaches, bedbug, mouse, spider, which are troublesome animal. In this lecture, we have seen information about useful and troublesome animal. Next lecture, I will teach you new topic of this lesson. Thank you.